This is how to change any card instantly. You ready? So, you want one card and you want two cards. You want two cards, any card, doesn't matter. Put one card on the top and have this one. So what you want to do is when you put this card on top, you want to push the top card out with your thumb. Hold it just like this and push the card off with your thumb. Just like that. Push it off. And as you touch the card underneath, you take your middle finger and just grab the bottom card and switch them. So now this queen is right here and now the 4 is right here. And so really fast it should look like that. It's going to make a bit of the sound because you're switching the cards. But it should look like it should look something like that. Okay? It should look something like that. 1, 2, tap and switch. Tap and switch. So now this is what it looks like when it's performed. So let's take your card, the 4 hearts. I'm going to put it right on top. Actually, I'm going to put it right into the middle. You know what? Stop my fingers. Change this into the queen of hearts. I mean, queen of diamonds, not the hearts. Whoops. That's how you can change any card instantly. But you know what? There's one more trick I would like to teach you. I have taught this many, many times, but you know what? I'm going to teach it today. Let's get the card that I dropped. Woo! Have 2 cards, put them back to back just like this. Just like this. And this is how to change any card instantly. 2.0. How to do that. So you have 2 cards back to back just like this. And you want to hold the card either with your ring finger or your middle finger. It doesn't matter, either one. And you want to take your index finger and hold it just like this, and use your index finger and turn the card around just like that. So you hold it like this and just turn it around, and so you want to shake when you do it, and when you shake it looks like it magically instantly changes into a new one. So really fast it should look like this. With some practice you can change any card instantly. If you enjoyed this video, you're awesome. If you enjoyed this video and you are new, hit that subscribe button. I mean, hit that subscribe button. It's free. I mean, it's totally free. If you learn something new, if you're on the road to becoming an amazing magician, hit that subscribe button. I post magic can't talk. I post magic tutorials just like this one all the time. And I also post really cool magic tricks. If you want to become an amazing magician, hit the subscribe button. And always remember, you're awesome. I love you guys.